In this video, let me show you how to use the Chime savings account interest 3.7 APY. Welcome back everyone to a new video. Now if you're trying to get a higher interest on your savings account, in this video let's talk about it. Now in order to earn a high interest, you must open a Chime's checkings account first. As a high yield savings account is not a standalone product. So once you have a checkings account of Chime, you need to activate and switch to a savings account. So all you want to do is open up the app of Chime, tap on the move option that you'll be able to see on the bottom. And right there, you'll be able to see the option of high yield savings where you can enroll instantly by tapping on enroll and then simply open an account. Once that is done and once you have activated your account, you can simply move your funds to earn interest. So you can simply head over to the move option again and simply tap on transfer to move your funds from your checkings account to your savings account so that you get a higher yield. So this is the exact process that you can follow. And as I said, there isn't a standalone product of savings that earns a higher interest by default. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.